up, YouTube? Coach tapping in. It's time to take some profits on PLTR as well as break down the day it was. But listen, if you guys made money today, let me know down in the comments below. As always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Guys, before we dive into PLTR, I got a good one for you on today, so stay tuned to the end. I gotta love on the family. This is an example of how it's done. When you hit your full stride, today's example, guys, is how it should look, okay? Misha said, "Good afternoon, coach. I hope all is well. I was in straight sniper mode today." I already talked that talk, Misha. She said, "I hit a Tesla call for 980 this morning." So she ran up a rack super quick this morning in 20 minutes. I got back in the market at 320 and caught PLTR for a put to the downside. I could drop the mic right there. Guys, if you rocking around here, you need to be making money in both directions, or you need to at least be embracing it and getting to a place where you're comfortable doing so. Stocks will go up, and then there'll be periods throughout the day, maybe an hour or two, that they're going down. There's no reason to sit idle and just stand there and do nothing, and you're in a play and you see it's going down and you're not doing anything. Okay, so if you have a particular play, I don't know what plays you guys are in per se, but if you made money going to the upside and then you see it hit a level like, man, it ain't going no higher than that, and now it's starting to come down, you can make money by buying puts to the downside. Make money in both directions. This was flawless execution. She said, "I could have doubled up on the PLTR put because I saw the chart and bought a put this morning. I didn't trust what I saw and got out of it at 12:30. When I started going back up, 1% better each day is what I'm aiming for. Thanks, Coach." Misha, this is a phenomenal job, guys. She was in straight sniper mode today, and I love to see it. This is how Coach trades every day. I feel like we should make 100K going up and 100K going down. Okay, that's how powerful, because remember, I taught you guys, the market, the same move it makes to the upside, it makes the equivalent. It's called a measured move to the downside. So if your play ever go up, you need to also be thinking, man, if it come down, it's going to come down the same exact amount it went up. You just keep it playing. She did that today, but she did it with two different plays. She rolled Tesla to the upside, and she took PLTR to the downside, and I love to see it. Check this out, guys. We're going to bring out the charts real quick. Bring your eyes to this for me. As you see, we had PLTR get sold off today. This is called, and this is what taking profits look like. So when you bought something at $20 and it run all the way to $124, when Wall Street sells, this is what it looked like. They waited for one little news catalyst for their reason, okay, and then they sell. This is why you got to lock in profits, and this is why you have to also place your stop loss. Let's unpack this, guys. Check this out. Coach got this chart pulled up so you know where your play is going. If you know the chart, you can change your life. Point blank, period. Okay, this is the PLTR chart on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, it was up at 124. It fell all the way to 104 and had a dead cat bounce and closed at 112. But now it already crashed back down to 106. If it goes down further, I want you guys to be looking for, look at support number 1. Okay, look at support number 1. It is sitting at 96.44. So we at 106. It can fall another $10 from the closing price today, or this after hours price, to 96.44. Okay, we will bounce from there. But remember, if we don't make up, look at the 50% on that big red candle. That is a boom boom candle. That is a life-changing candle for anybody that caught a put and caught that whole move. But remember, I taught you guys, if a stock can't get back above 50% of the big red candle, it's going to continue going down. So it's going to pop back up at some point in time, okay? But that 50% is at 122. If Palantir can't get above 122 and go higher, okay, they're going to keep taking profit. And everybody look at the bottom where it say gap fill. Support number 2. They're going to try to make their way down to $86.30. And that will allow them to close the gap. Now, this is just next level, high level, big picture view. I ain't saying all this stuff is happening tomorrow, but again, you never know in the market, okay? They made this one move in one fellow swoop at the end of a day. You know what I'm saying? Just off of budget cuts. So you just never know, okay? They can get it out the way. If they get it out the way, cool. We're going right back up and we're going to resume the bull trend. If they take all day and take the steps down to these levels, you need to know that can play out over the next 1 to 3 months, okay? So now they're giving you a clue. Everything they did today was to tell you, hey guys, it's job well done. It's time to take profits. That's what that big red candle meant. So now you have to lock in some profits. If you are up big, you have to place your stop loss on so that you don't, now those that were caught chasing, now you end up being the person that's down. We did too much work on this, getting it at $8, $12, and then $20 to then squander it all and not lock in anything, okay? So this play is not done, but this is called profit taking. Write this down. This is called profit taking. When you are taking profits, you are essentially selling. And when you sell, it makes the stock price come down, okay? And so that's what I want you guys to know about the activities that took place on today, okay? So with that being said, understand what it is. I don't need you guys freaking out. If anything, we're going to be looking at the low 100s, the low 90s, and the low 80s as entries to run it back up and do it all again, okay? Understand the game, okay? Great job today. Many of you made money. Many of you got busy in both directions. I love to see it. Guys, you should always be taking what the market give you, okay? If whatever play you're trying to do isn't going your way or that way today, pivot, okay? This is a game of high level chess. This is high level chess, okay? So understand that, man. Proud of you guys. Coach just wanted to get on here and touch base with you guys. Just a quick update on this is market induced selling, okay? They use one little news catalyst to bring it down. So you need to let it settle. You need to see, okay, do support one hold? Okay, boom. If support one holds and we start going back to the upside, all is well. Then you need to sit back and say, boom, okay, if we lose support one, now let me start eyeballing support two. This is how you dissect the game, okay? You don't just go at this any random kind of way, all right? Around here, we're surgical. You become the best because of your attention to detail, because of your meticulous nature, okay? So Palantir made us a lot of money to the upside. If it goes down, okay, this is just a pullback. This is a big type of pullback, though, on bigger time frames. Coach will let you know when it's time to buy puts if we ever get there, okay? I'm going to teach you that. 2 lessons I got to teach you guys. When and how to know when to buy puts. And then right side of the V. Write this down. Right side of the V. I need to teach you guys the right side of the V. That's coming. Those are some upcoming lessons that Coach has to teach you guys so that you can start just annihilating Wall Street in the stock market, okay? But anyway, guys, Coach just wanted to love on you. If you made money today, you know I got to give you some love. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks. Use my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.